Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Upon. Today I'm going to take you to this tutorial on Pixellab. Okay, yeah. So this is your Pixellab interface. Okay, here we have your test. Let's just delete that for now. We don't need it. Okay, so these are your the kind of backgrounds that you can get a template. Okay, template that Pixellab gives. Okay, so let's just come back to default. Okay, so this is the default template when you open Pixel app to get. Okay, so here three dots. You can come to image size, select the size that you want. Okay, so if for social media, for instance, okay, like 720 by 720 or 700 by 700 is okay. It's just, so the size has changed to my required size. Okay, so now if you want to add a test, let's just delete this one for now and just concentrate on this one. Okay, if you can see this codes and test. If you want to add a test, then you just click on this one. Okay, or you can also delete that and come here, test. Okay, yes, and you input your test by double clicking on. Sorry, come back. Double clicking on your test. Okay, then you can edit your test or come to cancel. Go back. Okay, let's choose our test here. If you want to edit your test, you can either double click or come to edit. Then you input your test. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to input um my brand name, graphics graphics um engineering. Okay, enter. Now I have my test inside here. Okay, you can also delete it here. Okay, I'm not going to delete it. But if you want to undo, this is the undo sign. Okay, undo sign. Okay, if you want to copy this test, you click on this copy, give you another copy. Just let me get it. Select the object or what you want to work on. Then forget about this bring to front and back. Let's just move on. With this you can position. Okay, position how do we want. Click the correct sign if you are comfortable with that, and if you don't want to like for instance maybe if you've done this and you don't want it, okay, just click here, means you don't want it, so come back to where you are. So this actually gives you like the range of where you want to, how you want, or how faster you want it to be, okay, or how accurate you want it to be. But if you want it to be just I consider that one is automatically, let's call this one manual. You want it to be manual. Every manual thing is painful. Every manual thing is difficult. Okay, so this is how you can do it if you want manual. And just take it if you want comfortable with that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is this one. Okay, this one actually gives you the precise places or precise corners or precise areas you want your test or your object to be on. Okay, so let's say if you want it to be our right side, just click left side, click. Okay, if you want it to be in middle, okay, just click on middle, click enter if you want, comfortable with that. Okay, our test size, yes, where we can increase our test and decrease our test. Okay, yep, decrease like so. If you're comfortable, you click and correct sign, just move it. Okay, this just shows you the boundary. Okay, where like so, where you want your font. Okay, okay. Think this is okay. This is okay. Just think if you want, you get the idea. Okay, you can also change the color from here. Okay, you can change it from the color from here. Okay, you can add, click on add to the a plus sign, this addition sign to add to change the color that you want. Okay, any color that you want. Okay, if you're comfortable with that, just click. I'm comfortable with this. Just so. Okay, here you can add textures to it. Okay, you can add textures to it. But today I'm not going to add textures. So just leave it. I normally add textures when I'm creating a logo. Okay. Okay, so when it comes to opacity, you can decrease or increase the opacity. You get the idea? Yeah. I'm not going to use this one, so just go. Okay, here you can use our 3D effect, your rotation. Rotate it to 180. Rotate it to 90. Maybe this will not give you an accurate. Don't worry, you get this. Okay, if this doesn't give you the accurate one, just use this negative and positive sign. It gives you the accurate rotation that you need. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this. Let's mask this. Okay, okay, I mask this. See how it's funny, huh? You're not going to do that, so click on undo. Okay. Yes, you can choose your font, any font that you want. These are default fonts from Pixellab. Okay. Just choose any font that you want. Alright. So here you can bold it. Oops. Actually, this font is not advanced. You can underline it. You can create italics. Okay. Here is where you can do your stuff here. Okay. So this one is old font, so doesn't give accurate thing that you want accurately. Okay. So let's get, maybe you want to create a logo, a church logo, for instance. Okay. See? Curve it like so. I'm not going to use curve, so I cancel. You can add background to your text. Okay. Can add background to your text. Can change the color to black, white. Okay. Let's go down with the white because the text is red. You can also align it horizontal. Justify. Okay. Justify is on. I like justify. Okay. So line spacing. Oof. See? Space up your text. Okay. Let's just close it down. So see. Yep. This is okay for me. Just down with that. Enter. Okay. But this is where you have another text beneath this text, and you want them to come closer or go wide apart. Okay. Can do that from there. So you can cancel that. Okay. Here is where you get to add strokes to it, to text. If you think that they are not showing, you add strokes to it. Okay. To for them to show well. Yep. You can choose a lot of colors from here to add, make your text show or stand out. Okay, so you get an idea, right? Okay, so you can also add shadow from here. Okay, all right. So can also add inner shadow to it. That's not necessary. That's not necessary for now. Emboss. Okay, this is where you want to create some effects to your text. Okay, I'm going to use that now. Okay, change your perspective. Okay, like so. All right. Graphics engineering. Yep, you get idea, right? Let's just go back because you're not going to use it. Okay, right. So, see, it's left with what? The 3D rotation. 3D rotation. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, ooh, yeah. We're not going to use that 3D rotation. So, we just click here. Sorry, my phone is running slow. Sorry. Phone is running slow. I told you already this phone is not strong. It's just 1 gigabyte. Okay. Okay. So since it's test, we come here. Click on the test. Yep. Cancel. Make sure this thing. Where is it? Perspective. Okay. It's okay. Don't need a perspective. So come to 3D. With the 3D on. See? The 3D effects, you see it, right? Okay. See the 3D effects? Increase the depth, decrease the depth. And add darkness to so the 3D can show more. You can also add something like so to it if you want it. Okay. So, like so. You can change the lights if you want. Increase and decrease the intensity. Get idea. Wow. You don't need a 3D effect. You don't need it. Yeah, you don't need it. So we've done with text. Let's just go to object. So let's delete our let's delete our object. Let's delete our text. Okay, before I come to object, let's just skip this one and quickly let me show you something backgrounds. See this two shapes here, meaning background. Okay, from here you can fill up default background that you can choose from. Okay, you can choose any background that you want from here for your project. I don't like any of that, those backgrounds. So you can also access color here, color, solid color, okay, for your background if you want. Okay, you can also change it to gradient, So this is the default one. You're done with that. You can change it to transparent if you also design the logo. You want the background to be transparent so that you can also add it to a photo or something. So just leave it background the background transparent so that you can also add it to a flyer or something. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, let's just go ahead, or let's just go back to undo. Yep. You can also resize your project from here. See the size that we choose earlier, 720 by 720. You can also change it into any size that you want from here. Okay, you can also crop. You can also add image from your gallery. Okay, you can also add image from your gallery, any image that you want. Okay, any image that you want. You can add image. Maybe you want that image to serve as your background. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to bring in that image so that it can serve as your background. Just don't know kind of image that will fit this kind of image I'm going to use for background. I don't know. Oh, okay, come here. Okay, let's select this red image here so that it can serve as our background. Okay, come here. Select it. Nice. So this will serve as our background. Okay. Yep. So now that we have our background, let's just quickly go to our shape. So here is where you can add a shape to it. This square, you can also change it to any shape that you want. To a circle, name it, increase, decrease it. Okay. You get the idea, right? Yeah. So decrease or increase opacity. You can even go as much as adding a stroke to it. Okay. So that's basically it. Okay. So you can also draw. Maybe you want to add a shadow, so you can also draw here. Okay. Let's just increase our pencil. Okay. Let's draw something here. Okay. Okay. Hey, I'm not saying that. Yeah, this is the only thing that you can draw. Okay. No. So enter. Well, let's just use it like so. If it is our background. So okay. That it says that our background is a shadow something. So you don't need it. Undo. So okay. So you can also import an image from here. Okay. But this is not your background. This is an image that you want to add to it. Okay. So for instance, maybe you want to add this Christmas blah 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 to it. Okay. Come here. Increase it if you want. Increase it. Yep. Yeah. Isn't this nice? Pixellab. Thank you. Okay. So before I forget, this is your layer. Okay. This is your layer. On off it. You can also sorry. You can also yep. Because it's like so. Okay. So this one is selected. Let's lock it. Let's off the layer. See, it is not moving because we locked it. Now let's see how it will behave if we unlock it. Okay, now you can see. Now you see. Okay, let's unlock it. See, it's been able to move. Okay, let's just undo. All right. Yeah. So yes, how you can also add things to things from your gallery. You can also add from your gallery. You can also add objects from your gallery. I think I should close now because I should end the video now because the time Time is not on our side. You can also add this thing. Nice. Isn't this nice? Oh, come on, guys. Tell me if this is not nice. Okay, so you can also delete it. See, delete that selection object. Cancel. I'm not going to do that. You can also access some things here. Okay, you can also align them here. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. So this is your guideline. Can also guide you when you are doing a project. You want them to be properly aligned. Okay, this will help you align your lines your project very well. So let's say if you want to delete this part, you click on this, you delete. 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 Now you deleted everything. Okay, let's delete them again. Okay, delete, delete, delete. Okay, so now we want to add new. How can you add new? Okay, so you click here to add horizontal. You click here to add vertical. Okay, you can position it from here. So it was from here to here. Okay, so you get an idea. Okay, maybe you want to edit a letter or a text from here to here. You want them to be properly aligned from here to here. You want to edit a text from here to here. So maybe yeah, this is how you can do it. Okay, this is how you can do it. All right, so quickly add our text of okay, there. Sorry, let's add our text. Oops. Oh, come on, let's off this. Let's add our text to this. Here, from here to here. That's why I lock things, okay? That's why I lock things. I lock them. So you want your text to be within this guideline. So guys, you get an idea, okay? Yeah. Here's where you get to save your pens. Okay. But first, maybe you are working for a client. The client might ask for some changes for this for your project. So you have to save it as project first. You name it as anything that you want. Okay. After you think that you done, then you come here and save it save as image. Okay. The quality, for the quality, you choose ultra. Okay. Then you just click on save to gallery or whatever you want. But save to gallery. Okay. So guys, okay, I think that's all for today's tutorial. I'll be seeing you in the next one.